Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting devices ready. This saves time. First, make sure the Samsung TV and your phone or tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network, use 4 GHz for older gear. Next, power on the TV and open the source or menu, then select Screen Mirroring or Smart View so the TV is discoverable. Finally, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your mobile, unlock it, and keep it close. Once done, you're ready to search for the TV from your device. You now initiate the connection from the mobile side. Swipe down to open Quick Settings and tap Smart View or cast/Screen Mirroring. Your TV should appear in the list. Select the TV name, then watch the TV screen for a pairing prompt. Accept it to allow the connection. If you see options for audio or video quality, choose higher resolution for clear video or lower it to reduce lag. Make sure apps aren't blocking casting. Closing heavy apps often improves. You finish by verifying the mirrored image and adjusting settings. Check that the display fits the screen, change TV aspect ratio, or rotate your phone if content is cropped. If the connection fails, restart both the TV and your mobile, then reattempt pairing. This clears temporary network conflicts. Also make sure firmware and OS updates are installed on both devices, because outdated software often breaks mirroring. If problems persist, consider a wired HDMI adapter for a stable, high-quality connection as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.